Hello everyone. Good morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and healthy at home children. Welcome back to our EVS class. Children, as you know, we have already completed our lesson number 4, that is our clothes. So today I am going to read the chapter and all question answers, fill in the blanks and everything that we have wrote in our notebook. We are going to revise this. Okay children? So let's start. Today's date is 15th of July 2020 and today's day is Wednesday. Okay children? Take a pencil in your hand and try to read with me children. You can read with me. We wear clothes to protect our body from heat, rain, cold and dust. We should always wear clean and well ironed clothes. Different clothes for different seasons. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. In summer, we wear cotton clothes. They keep our body cool. We get cotton from cotton plants. We also wear linen clothes in summer, which we get from flax seed. In winter, we wear woolen clothes to keep our body warm. We get wool from sheep's hair. The hair of the sheep is known as fleece. Wool is used to knit sweaters, caps, socks and other warm clothes. When it rains, we wear raincoats and gumboots to keep dry. Raincoats and gumboots are made of rubber and some other materials. We get rubber from rubber plants. Of the hook, cotton cloth is made by spinning and weaving cotton. Cotton is woven on a weaving machine called the loom. We also wear cotton clothes of silk, especially in winter and on special occasion. We get silk from the silkworm. The silkworm builds a home around itself with a long sticky thread. This home is called a cocoon. The cocoon are used to make silk thread. Later, this thread is used to make silk clothes. Turn your page. Costumes and uniforms. The clothes worn by people from particular place are called the costume. People in different parts of the world often wear different types of clothes. Let us see the special costumes of some countries. The clothes that are worn by us for special purposes such as a dance performance or a play are too known as costumes. People from different parts of India also wear different kind of clothes. Let us look at some of the wedding dresses worn by people from different regions of India. Some people who do special jobs wear special sets of clothes. These are called uniforms. We also wear uniform when we go to school. Children, that day we have done fill in the blanks. Do you remember? See, this is the first exercise. Draw lines to match the plants and animals in a row with what they give us. In second row, you can see here. What is this? This is silkworm. Silkworm gives silk ribbon. You can see here. Silkworm gives silk ribbon. Second is cotton. Cotton frock from cotton. Third is ship. We get woolen cap from ship. Okay. First one is, you can see here. First one is silkworm. We get silk ribbon from silkworm. Okay. Cotton frock from cotton. And from ship we get wool, and from wool we prepare woolen caps. Okay, children? Yes. Second, fill in the blanks. We should always wear clean and well ironed clothes. Yes. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. In winter we wear woolen clothes to keep our body warm. The hair of the sheep is known as fleece. The clothes worn by people from a particular place are called their costumes. Yes, children? Next, answer the following question. Why do we wear clothes? Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to protect our body from heat. That day, children, we have written hard words also. Do you remember hard words? Yes. The next was name two clothes used in the following season. Summer season we wear cotton shirt and cotton frock. In rainy season we wear raincoat, rainy jacket and gumboots. In winter season we wear woolen sweater, woolen jackets and caps. Okay. Now question answers. Again we'll revise. Okay. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to protect our body from heat, rain, cold and dust. What type of clothes do we wear in summer? We wear cotton clothes in summer. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Third is, name the things that help us to keep dry on a rainy day. Name the things that help us to keep dry on a rainy day. We wear raincoats and gumboots to keep ourselves dry on a rainy day. Third is, what is a cocoon? What is a cocoon? We get silk from the silkworm. The silkworm builds a home around itself with a long sticky thread. This home is called a cocoon. We get silk from silkworm. A silkworm builds a home around itself with a long sticky thread. This home is called a cocoon. State the two definitions of costumes. Costumes के दो definitions you have to write here. The clothes worn by people from a particular place are called costumes. The clothes worn by people from a particular place are called costumes. And second definition is the clothes that are worn by us for special purpose such as dance performance or a play are also called costumes. Okay. Sixth question is, what is uniform? People who do special jobs wear special sets of clothes. These clothes are called uniform. People who do special jobs wear special sets of clothes. These are called uniform. Why should we wear neat and clean uniform? That day I have given this question. Okay, remember? Yeah, that day I have given this question for homework. Why should we wear clean and well ironed uniform? हमको क्यों पहनना है well and clean ironed uniform? अच्छे कपड़े क्यों पहनना है? This was your homework, children. You have to write this answer. Okay, and again stick and draw the picture of different season. I have given the homework this also. Draw and or stick the picture of different season. You have to आपको पिक्चर चिपकाना है या तो ड्रॉ करना है. मैंने जैसे कि आपको बताया 3 सीजन्स होते हैं, समर सीजन, विंटर सीजन एंड रेनी सीजन. तो आपको इसके पिक्चर बनाना है या तो उसको आप स्टिक भी कर सकते हो और लेबल करना है आपको. ओके चिल्ड्रन, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. हैव अ नाइस डे.